Welcome to the Virtual Cell Organelle Identification tutorial. Unless you have a previously saved location, you now find yourself inside the Identification module. This module begins with a brief orientation from a tutor describing your goals. Right-click or press Tab to enter the menu selection. In the Identification module, there are 7 organelles to identify. You can see which ones in the task list above your windshield. To begin, let's go to our first organelle and scan using the left mouse click or the right control key. The controls map is available at any time in the Preferences menu. Select the Assay button from the Scan interface. At this point, you will be given an option of 6 assays to complete. You will test organelles with these assays during the identification process. When an assay is positive, you report your findings by identifying the organelle. Back out of this menu by clicking its center. Select the Report button from the Scan interface to report the organelle. If the assay does not help identify the organelle, take a look at the encyclopedia via the Dashboard menu. Right-click or press Tab to access. Use the encyclopedia to learn about assays and organelles in the cell. In this case, we are dealing with DNA synthesis. Let's follow the link to the nucleus entry to learn more. This entry tells us that the nucleus contains DNA. We are now ready to report our organelle. You may search the encyclopedia at any time to learn about other organelles. Perhaps you would prefer to read about them all prior to playing, or perhaps you would prefer to play. When finished, exit the encyclopedia and return to the Report menu. Every icon is initialed to its organelle. Use mouse over to find and report the one you have scanned now that your assay is complete. Every time you report, the tutor will inform you of the result. When you have correctly identified an organelle, move on to the next. Return to the Tasks menu to see your progress and to choose your next task. Enter the Mission Logs menu from your dashboard to view a detailed list of your goals and tasks. Repeat the assaying and reporting process until all 7 organelles are identified to complete the Identification module of Virtual Cell. In your mission logs, notice the incomplete goals left in your task list. To complete these goals, move on to the next module. Transfer to another module by finding a Golgi apparatus and performing a scan. The interface will display all available transfer options. You may select any module to be transported to in any order.